While Binance has been the powerhouse in crypto trading, has done amazing things for traders in the crypto space, Bybit is becoming the easier and better platform to use, especially my own experience too, and what I hear from traders all around the globe. Now, I want to explore today why Bybit, remember, deposit $100, get the $20 back. I think could be taking that lead, why it could be easier for you to trade on there, and I want to show you the platform. So let's get into this, but disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. Let's show you what I got. Okay, guys, so on first glance, it is, in my opinion, a cleaner look. Okay, now that's not going to make you go and trade crypto because you see that this is clean, but it's just a nice, aesthetically pleasing look. And you see here little bots coming on. Okay, I really enjoy the look of this. And what I really like is no matter what kind of trader you are, if you want to buy crypto on Binance, it seems quite complex, and it used to be. If you come here and go to buy crypto, one-click buy, literally in seconds, guys. I come here, I want to spend USD, okay, I want to spend 7,000, and there you go, I'm going to get that much BTC, one-click deposit, boom, buy. It's literally that simple. I can't explain it any more than that. That does not happen on Binance, and that is why a lot of people come in here. They just want to be able to go, hey, I've got a little bit of time now, 10 minutes, I want to buy 7 Bitcoin, okay? That's all they want to do. I want to buy 7 Bitcoin, here you go, this is how much it is, one click, done. All right, and that is a reason, a big reason, started off why Bybit is getting so much popular rating. Another reason, guys, is how easy it is to save your earnings on here. You can go to finance, okay, Bybit savings, and start to dive into this. This is a one-stop investment center with a suite of products enjoying greater flexibility. They're actually showing you easy ways to save your money instead of having to buy. They've got whole guides, videos, guys. Simple here. You show your holdings, all right? Say you have 10,000 USD there. You can simply enable it and save that. It will yield it for you, okay? Using whatever offer that you want to use. You can stake now Peanut, for example, get a 300% offer. Doge, 420% APR. USDT at 500%, guys, which is unbelievable. 5 days, and so on. All right, it's very cool. And you can see all the different products. If you want to just simply do BTC, you got 2.6. All right, if you want to go for something massive, okay, in the 500 marks, you can find them on here. And this is something that Binance do things like this, but it's, again, a lot more complex. This is very easy. You go simply to Bybit savings. How do I make more money? And it's there in front of your face. And talking about their tools, guys, they have advanced tools like the copy trading, like Trade GPT, like the trading bot, Trading View, the Golden FX, okay, position builder. There's so much on here, guys. I don't want to just go into every single one because I'm going to make multiple videos about all these tools, but the copy trading is my favorite for sure, so I'll quickly show you that. Copy trading is where you don't have to do the trade yourself anymore. You can find someone that's making crazy percent. Let's find some 191% here with Alex Bird, all right? And you can just simply copy them. That is a tool that we need on every platform. And Bybit really do conquer that with all their tools. They have a GPT trade where you can literally speak to an AI and say, what is the best to buy right now? Okay, so if you don't want to trust someone that's actually making money in the market, trust the AI. That's why Bybit is superior. It's got everything you need to go ahead and be a crypto trader or excel your trading. Not only that, guys, Bybit offers over 100x on certain assets, okay, with the leverage. It is really easy to make an account. Simply create an account with a link down below, make a deposit and start trading. You can get a Bybit card, your Bybit Earn, like I said, and all these different tools. It's on the App Store, Android, Google Play, API. It is incredible. So if you want to get involved, guys, I honestly don't think there's a platform better than Bybit out there. Don't forget, guys, if you deposit $100, okay, you're going to get $20 for free if you have KYC. It's less than 7 days since you did it. It's your first deposit. This is so incredible because if you want a free $20 to throw in a copy trading, throw on what the analysis of the GPT tool said, you don't even have to use your own money. That's why Bybit is coming out on top. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. Hit the link down below now to go and get it. Forget your Binance account. Let's get it with Bybit. See you next time.